guys, subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notifications so that you can get notified about my future videos. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the Mate 20 Pro's front-facing camera and its amazing features. Furthermore, I'm going to talk about the most innovative and amazing feature of the Mate 20 Pro's front-facing camera after talking about these features. And I'm also going to explain that feature. First up is the 3D face unlock, which we have seen in the iPhone before. This time it's more productive and faster than ever. Furthermore, you can also use it as a payment method in the Google Play Store. The second thing is the front-facing 3D 24-megapixel camera, which will help you in taking outstanding selfies in any situation, both in bright and dark environments, as you can see here. The third thing is the 3G emoji, which can be recorded in two formats, MP4 and GIF format. While watching the live stream, I came to a point where I saw this: bring your favorite characters to life. Basic principle of this feature is 3D modeling using the 3D scanner housed in the notch, and you can share it easily on Facebook. This truly is an innovative feature because it will help us in many ways. For example, like in the development in the 3D modeling of car parts, for example, or other machine parts, it will be very helpful for that purpose. And all of that can be done in just few seconds. And I think that the app developers will also develop these kinds of apps that will help in 3D modeling and 3D animation. Now let's take a look at its demo.
The introduction to our 3D live object modeling. So I'm sure everybody here is excited to see it live in action, so let's jump right in. So to start the scanning process, place our objects in front of the 3D camera system. And once the object is located, as you see on large screen, we're going to start the scanning process. And as I'm rotating the object through the scanning process, you can see that there are green sections being illuminated on the objects, indicating that these are the sections to be scanned. So I'm going to work my way through the front of the object. And with each successful scan, as you see, the green sections will start to disappear. Alright, we're making very good progress on the scan and we're almost there. A couple more sections left on its arms and its legs. Alright, good progress there. And once we have a majority of the object scan, we're going to start to build the 3D model on the fly. And this is quite remarkable as we're taking all the data points we have just scanned from the objects a couple minutes ago and building the model on the go. And we're at 80%, 90%. We should be done rather shortly. And ladies and gentlemen, here is the 3D object from our scan. Alright, I'm going to click on the top right corner to save this model. And as Richard mentioned, we can give life to this object. So when we put some life into this character, and how we do that is that we are going to do a skeletal mapping of the object based on its head, body, arm, and leg positioning. So I'm going to click next, which will do exactly that. So what that does is that it gives the objects the ability to have movements and life. And with such a gorgeous stage in front of us, why don't we invite our little panda friend onto the stage in AR mode to perform some actions. So I'm going to get the area in front of me, a bit of a scan. And there's our friend on the stage in AR mode. And we have a list of various actions our little panda friend can do. So why don't we make it exercise and run a bit? Let's take a look. Look at that movement. Alright, let's see what else we have here on the menu. Kung Fu moves, this looks pretty interesting. Let's take a look. Alright, so those precise movements were made possible by the skeletal mapping that we have just done earlier. And besides these actions, we can also control the panda in any direction we like by navigating it. And as the panda is reaching the center stage, since it's such a large stage, why don't we size it out a bit and let it enjoy the big stage. Alright, I'm sure this panda is having so much fun and would love a good photo opportunity like any one of us. So I want to invite Richard back on the stage next to the panda to snap a photo with the panda. Alright, Richard, 1, 2, 3, smile. And thank you. And besides taking photos, we can also do a video record with the interaction with the AR object. So what I'm going to do is going to hit the record button and have Richard wave to us alongside the panda. So Richard, would you please give us a wave? You see the panda waving as well? And we're recording this live. And what's really neat about it is that we can take a look at the video we just recorded prior. So Richard, please look at the big screen. And let's play back that video we just recorded. For a sec. And with such fun moments, I believe everybody would love to share with our friends and families. So we have a nice, easy share button on the bottom right. You can instantly tap on it. Let's share on Facebook. I'm going to type in wow. Share now. And make sure to check out our Huawei mobile Facebook account for this post. Alright, this concludes our demo, and we'll hand the stage back to Richard. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Steve.